Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Smart and automatic power transfer equipped with intelligent transfer switch technology. This ST switch. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Plug and play. No electrician needed, no need for complex wiring or professional help. Just plug and go. The compact. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Compatible with Westinghouse Smart Switch Ready generators, fully compatible with Westinghouse portable generators. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are outdoor ready, easy setup, and home upgrade. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying the product works good, used it right away, read more, read less. My simple verdict: the outdoor upgrade looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.